Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Haja, a makeup artist with a passion and mission to help others with their daily makeup struggles. In today's tutorial, I want to apply the best eyeliner technique on hooded eyes. Nearly a year ago, when I freshly started my YouTube channel, I created a few similar tutorials with the same purpose. I didn't expect it, but it got a lot of attention, although it could have been better in my opinion in terms of quality and the correct way of demonstration. Things have changed since that time, and I got a new camera and the perfect lens as well as knowledge to record a remastered version of the best eyeliner technique on hooded eyes. The technique I'm going to demonstrate looks the best on all hooded eye shapes since it looks beautiful on closed as well as open eyes. Unlike the battering eyeliner, which looks not so flattering on closed eyes, my opinion, this one on the other hand looks sultry and less edgy. So if you're curious on how to create the best eyeliner on hooded eyes, then let's get started. So much for tuning in. I hope you're excited to try out this technique on your beautiful hooded eyes and let me know how it went in the comment section. Furthermore, I would like to know what you want to watch next, so your requests are appreciated. Also, please leave this video a thumbs up, and like always, I would like to remind you to subscribe to not miss out on helpful daily makeup tutorials. Thank you so much for your support.